Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today we're making carrot, apple, celery and cucumber smoothie for weight loss. First I'm going to wash and prep my carrot. I'll first peel, then I'll chop them. That's my carrot prepped. Now onto my apple. That's my apple prep, guys. Now onto my celery. That's my celery prepped. Now onto my cucumber. And just a few cucumber slices. Now that all my ingredients are prepped, it is now time to put them all into my speed blender. First goes in my carrots. After that, my apples. Next, my celery. And finally, I'll add cucumber and some water. I'll now cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my freshly blended up smoothie for weight loss. Look at that lovely orange colour from the carrots. I'm now going to serve it. Let me know in the comment section below which country you're watching me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.